Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find other people's posts that appear on your Facebook feed using the latest Facebook web update on your PC. If you've ever wanted to track or review posts from others that showed up in your feed, Facebook has made it possible through the activity log. The steps are simple, so let's walk through them together. First, open Facebook in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. From the menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand a few more options. Next, click on Activity Log. This section is where Facebook keeps a detailed record of your activity across the platform. Once you're inside the activity log, look at the left-hand panel. Here, you'll find different categories related to your activity. Click on your Facebook activity to expand more options. Now select Posts. This will show different types of post-related activity. From here, you need to click on Other People's Posts to your feed. This section specifically displays posts from others that have appeared in your feed, helping you review what content you've interacted with or seen. This feature is especially useful if you're trying to revisit something you saw earlier but didn't save, or if you want better control and understanding of your feed activity. And that's it. You now know how to easily find other people's posts that appeared in your Facebook feed using the updated Facebook web version on PC.